This video, I'm just going to do a quick lead lightning update where you can take a simple $7 funnel done for you out the box, ready to go. Doesn't require any additional setup. Follow-up is done for you. Closing is done for you. Everything is done for you, essentially. The only thing you got to do is get eyeballs to your funnel. There's no tech skills needed. They provide training 4 times a week, live and interactive training 4 times a week. So you get your questions answered, you can get help with your marketing, and you can really learn how to drive this system. So what I want to do is just give you a quick update. Hey, my name is Paul Farmer. Welcome to my channel. I've been with Lead Lightning slash Power Lead System for over 10 years. It's paid me over $175,000. I took a hiatus from it for a number of years, yet it kept paying me week after week, month after month, residual income. It's a very powerful system. In 2025, there have been many, many updates, very exciting updates. And that is why I'm here on this video sharing it with you because, in my opinion, the value you're getting for so little money is insanity. Like it doesn't exist anywhere else. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. First, what I want to do is I want to cover the update. Okay, so it's going to be kind of quick. So last night I was on a coaching call. Now, when you decide to get started for just $7, go to the link in my description. You decide to get started for just $7, and you come into your back office here. You're going to get a back office. Looks just like this one, just like what I have here. You're going to be able to, if I come here, step 2, go to the coaching calendar, and you're going to be able to see all the calls that are going on throughout the week. Okay, so these are great calls. These are really going to help you take the next step, really go to the next level, really understand what this system is about, how you can maximize your earnings, how you can get eyeballs to your system so you can make $6 commissions plus all the way up to $1,500 commissions. That's what these calls are for. So I was on this CEO call with Neil Guess. So if I come back here, here's Neil. And he was like, I've never seen him so happy and excited because this is really starting to blow up. Like people are really liking the value add, the amazing amount of value that is being pushed into a little $7 system. And they're really liking how they don't have to do hardly anything to get paid. um, so let me just show you what's new. Okay, so the newest thing he showed was a new capture page. And if you're part of the other system, Power Lead system, uh, he gave a share code where you can get a page that looks just like this, but it had a different title. It was more focused on $1,500 commissions. Uh, but he added a little video here. So this is your system. Let me back up. This is your system right here. This is how simple it is to set this up. If you're not tech savvy, I know I get a lot of people come to me. I'm not tech savvy. I don't know how to set anything up. Okay, well, here you go. Look at this. Ta-da! Your system's set up. That's it. You're done. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. What's going to happen next? Okay, you get people to come to the system. Either you do paid traffic, you do paid traffic, you do free traffic. There's all kinds of ways to market. They do cover some training in here as well. Also, like I said, if you go to the coaching calendar, there is live training happening throughout the week that is also recorded. So if you can't make it live, it's recorded. But live and interactive is definitely better because you can get your questions answered and you can participate. You can learn. So that's really again $7. It's nuts. It's absolutely insanity. Uh, so person comes in, they enter an email. What happens next? Email goes out. I mean, there's an email campaign that happens. The email is added to your subscribers, added to your contact list. That's your list. You can use that list, those leads, however you want. They're yours. You can market wherever you want to them. Lead Lightning is designed to market more than one business. So it markets Lead Lightning. It also markets your primary. So if you're in a network marketing company, another affiliate marketing company, you can use the system. What happens next is you have an email sequence that goes out when someone comes in and purchases the $7 system, $7 one time. You make a $6 commission, and what that does is it triggers the AI follow-up. So we have an AI agent that texts and voicemail drops for you. So these texts are not just text message, leave it alone. No, the AI will interact with your people. It will also set appointments. So let me come back here. It will set appointments so Neil can call them and talk to them and get their questions answered and show them how they can supercharge their system so they can start making residual income all the way up to $1,500 commissions. This is all done for you. You don't have to do this. So when you understand how powerful the system is and what it can do for you, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want to go grab this for $7 and start using it. Like, it doesn't even make sense to me. But I know there are people that overthink and complicate when this is not complicated. This is not complicated at all. Simple system, ready to go, out the box, does the follow-up, does the closing, does the upgrading for you. Everything is done for you. Build your business, build a list, build a list of buyers, okay? So the next update I wanted to talk about, and that training is an update too. I talked about that previously, but that's an update. Go anywhere else and try to find live interactive coaching for $7. That's just a value add, you know. Um, the other update, Neil said, the owner right here, he said that this whole system is going to be changing, like it's going to be updated. So it looks better on mobile, and it's going to be something we could be really, really proud of. Now, there's some really good marketers that are in his ear giving him ideas to really, I mean, one of the ideas they had was to have the live coaching 4 times a week, and he might add more. On the call last night, he was even talking about adding something else, even more to add even more value. But in my opinion, there's already a ton of value here. Like it's if we can get out of our head gimmick, if we can get out of our head, oh, I want to save money, I don't want to pay anything, if we can get that out of our head, because that's the biggest mistake I see people make when they come online or when they've been online and struggling for a long time. They want to pay the least amount of money, do the least amount, and that's why they stay stuck. That's why they typically don't make anything. I've been doing this for over 13 years. I've worked with countless people. Not a marketing guru or anything, but I have made 6 figures with this system. And I have been on many leaderboards. So I know some stuff. You know, I'm not saying I'm a marketing guru, I'm a genius. I keep things simple. I do the things I know that produce results. No, I'm not putting hundreds of people overnight, but these are consistent results. And when you have a powerful system where you can offer people to that does not conflict with what they have, it complements it. You have something that's very, very useful and very beneficial to that person, and it doesn't even cost them hardly anything. So those are the main updates I just wanted to talk about real quick. I don't really want to make this very long. I was going to go into how you can make $1,500 commissions and all that, but I'll save that for another video. Uh, if you're getting value, I do appreciate you subscribing to my channel, liking, and leave a comment. Like if you have questions, if you know something stood out to you, I really do want to make these videos provide some type of value, really educate you, really, because like I've been in this program for over 10 years. You can go to my channel, my YouTube channel, and you can go through my playlist, and I have over 200 videos about this system and Power Lead system. So what I'm sharing with you is based on many, many years of experience. Um, like I'm not new to this program. I know this program pretty much inside and out. Like I'm not a guy that likes to go and create a bunch of funnels and all that. That's not what I do. But I like to keep it simple. I like to use simple systems, leverage those systems to create income, both one-time income, residual income. And I just think this is perfect. You know, it helps fund your advertising, it helps build your list, you get buyer leads, and the whole system follows up for you, closes for you, gets upgrades for you. I mean, it does it all for you. So that's what I have. If you'd like to get lead lightning for, again, $7, just go to liveyourbeachlife.now.com. Or you just go to the link in my description, click on that link, and you'll be able to get it. Okay? So thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.